guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Oksana. In this video, I'll be organizing the RV, cleaning it out for the upcoming trip. Not only is this going to be a cleaning video, it's also going to be a vlog of our trip. And as you can see, we saw a lot of reptiles, fish. We watched the sunset, the sunrise, and we also got caught in a lot of bad weather. So I hope you enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed recording it. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be cleaning out the RV that you see behind me. I have no idea what it looks like inside because we have been slammed with getting back to school things done. We started our homeschool books 2 weeks ago, so we're finishing them up the second week up today. Also, before I open the door, a couple days ago, me and Andre went to Costco and Sam's Club. We stocked up on the essentials, the pantry items, and the kids unloaded the car, so it's probably all in the front, in the kitchen area, table, chairs, whatever. We'll see. Let's go check it out. Excuse me. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna turn on the AC. Okay, let's hope I did this correctly because it's hot in here. And I'll be cleaning it out and organizing and just putting everything away and packing up our things for 9 people today. So that's why I really need this AC to be working. Andre's out of town, so I might have to call him, but hopefully not. So we walked in, and as you could tell, we did a big grocery haul for the upcoming trip. There's going to be, let me see, 12 people for 6 nights. So this will explain why we have the big packs of food and snacks. We do need to clean the sinks. We're gonna rub the toilets down, put the bedding on, and pack up our clothes. For this camping trip, we're actually going to have 3 extra people. Andre's parents and his younger sister. They're going to be coming with us, so we're going to give up our bedroom. So I need to move this bedding and the baby crib to another bedroom that's towards the back. And the boys that usually sleep back there will be sleeping outside in like the back of a truck. We bought like a little tent with a mattress, and the weather's good. That's where they'll be staying at. Okay, let there be light. Much better. This is the pantry. Looks like the water bottle's toppled over. The cereal box is toppled over while driving. So our goal is to squeeze most of this stuff into the pantry. I'm going to clean that. Microwave, clean the stove, and let's see what's in here. Like I said, the boys just took this RV camping RV out. So it should be pretty empty. No. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. Get rid of the steak. All right, so that's what needs to be done here. And in the back bedroom, let's see. We're gonna wash the bedding. We're probably gonna, we're gonna sweep the floors out real good. What are you girls doing up there? Where's Veronica? Oh, that's a nice hiding spot. Mommy, жарко здесь? No. You hiding? It's hot. Выходи. It's really hot. Выходи. You're sweating. Julie, don't let her go in there, okay? Okay. It's really, really hot. It's not hot? Ты вся мокрая. Of course it's hot. Okay, so this is the place. This is where we'll be staying at while the parents take up the front of the room. Most likely the little bed will go here, and we'll just have to either go around or hop around the bed. And the last thing to do is clean out this bathroom. This is the kids' bathroom.
I can clean that out.
It's half a bath. You gonna help me? Okay, great. So it needs just to be cleaned out, pretty much rubbed down with some Clorox wipes. Okay, now let me explain a little bit of things about our family. If you're new to this channel, we are a family of 9. This is a 42-foot long camper. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath and half a bath. So the kids get half a bath and we get a full bath over there towards the front. We bought this camper March 2020, right before COVID hit. We managed to snap this, pretty much the only one they had in stock. We managed to get our hands on it, and we got really lucky because this camper is actually really popular just because it has this room and it has the loft. So when you have a lot of kids, that loft really comes in handy, or you could even use it as a storage. So we are a family of 9. This camper fits us perfectly. It's going to be a little bit tight this time around because we do have some extra family members coming along with us, but we will make do. It's okay. It'll be just tight when we're going to be sleeping. Otherwise, the kids always they're outside day in, day out. So we're really not worried about that. Even if it's going to be raining a little bit, it's summer. It's going to be warm rain. We're going to be at the beach. We'll be getting wet. So we shouldn't be running into any problems. Also, I forgot to mention that I will be restocking my supplies, like dish towels, washcloths, soap, laundry, not laundry detergent. There's no laundry here. But trash can liners, sugar, coffee, espresso beans. I bought an extra pot just because there will be 12 people on this camping trip, and this is a 12 quart. It's really cute. Reminds me of Ukraine. Really cute. And I did also buy some more bowls, mixing bowls with the lids, because we always need these. Always. And for some reason they always manage to disappear on me. I don't know. I buy them every year. All right, moving on, we will pack this up. So it is past dinner time. It's around 6 p.m. on a Thursday evening. I went in because it was just really hot in here. The AC was previously turned off, so I needed a few hours to cool off. And my phone died, so I ended up going inside, finishing up the homeschool with the kids, finishing up laundry, packing it up. And now it is evening. The kids are slowly starting to bring in all the extras from the house that I usually bring back and forth. I washed the bedding that's gonna go on. I packed up the rest of the kids' clothing. There's a couple more loads in the wash, so we'll finish that up today. And now today, well, right now, I'm gonna be concentrating on the kids area. We are 46 miles away, hooray, hooray, for a week of relaxations. 29 miles away? 29 miles. You guys want to say hi to Andre? So yeah, we have 6 nights here at Huntington State Park in South Carolina. We packed up late last night and pulled out early this morning. It is currently 12:30 p.m. So it's hitting lunchtime. The real school, the public school starts this Monday. We already finished up our second week of homeschool. So we're on time with that. I'm excited. My eye's been twitching for last 2-3 days from all the packing and from all the stress of packing. We have 12 people staying in one camper, so it was a lot of packing, a lot of organizing, a lot of cleaning, and just making sure you're not forgetting anything, even though there's stores close by. I hate to run out for every little thing, so we really tried our best to pack as much as we can. I'm sure we will end up going to the store for 1 or 2 things, but in general, I feel like we are off on a good start. It's promising rain and thunderstorm all week long, but we didn't cancel. First night here, having some yogurt parfait. Mama, что? Можно простынь? А, вот краб. Crab. Can we take it? Can you take it? No. Why? Смотри, сейчас драться будет с вами. Look at his eyes. Он на меня идет.
Maybe try.
What does it say?
Давай, топ-топ. Давай маме ручку. Давай. Эйбл. Давай маме. Давай. Иди до мамы. Вот так, молодец. Еще давай до мамы. Ой. 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 Зарядку делает. Давай, иди сюда. Ты зарядку делаешь? Йога?
Тебе дальше сама, как хочешь. Работай.
Going to look at the crocodiles.
Come on, Karen.
I saw an alligator put his tail up.
They saw alligator tail? Oh, вон он.
Какой большой, видите?
Is that an alligator?
Вот тут плавает, а этот стоит.
О, что здесь было?
Это тут как озеро, чи що? Оно не тянется много.
Up there. It's just like a... There's two alligators come up because I see a little bit.
Я возьму его, мам. I went on a golf cart ride. My dad gives me a call. He's like, there's a storm coming. Bring in your towels. Oh my goodness. Дождик начинается. I'm almost there. It's starting to rain. I'm almost there. Pushing down hard. Pedal to the metal. Oops. Here's my dad's camper right here. Here, we're 2 doors down. What? I called mom, gave her a warning. Huh? Они 8 минут. Надо эту палатку чуть-чуть ниже сделать. Не снимать, а ниже сделать. Да. And it came down. Woke up to a lot of rain. My dad has to move sites today. So within a couple hours he needs to be in a new campground. I do not invite him that sure. It is not the best day to be moving. How are the kids? Did they survive the night? They have a tent over there. I'll show it to you guys later. Tell them to come over here when the rain stops a little bit. So... So you want to help him?
Yeah, Eric got it.
Eric got it? So Sveta's bed. She's been sleeping here the past 2 days.
Yeah.
But since it's raining out here, we'll be spending the day indoors.
Oh, wow.
manka coming up for the kids, and some breakfast bagels for the adults. That's good. You like bush?
Did it pull hard? I didn't even notice it at first. I thought it was weird. Да, вот это сверху глаза. Вот рот ее снизу, видишь?
This is Andre's cake. He made it for Julie. This is Papa's cake. Why? No? Опа. Hold on. Oh yeah. А меня можно покатать? А?
Сама катайся.
Ничего, happy baby? Понравилось? Да? Понравилось? Julie, you ready for some nalistiki?
на стол.
Yummy, yummy.
So we have our parents with us. So the boys are sleeping here. Trailer tent. Че там? Нормально? Жить можно?
Да.
Все нормально.
We are changing spots for the day. Got a new location. Here comes Andre. No, nie myślę. We're changing spots because we're staying here for 6 nights and they didn't have anything available on such short notice. The rest of the kids are at mom's. No, стол далеко. It's been raining here the past few days, so we're doing this all in the rain. Вот здесь сверху.
Вас видно.
Да. Okay, we got some breakfast cooked with mom. Got some bread, sausage, zucchini, eggs.
Beach.
Что?
I tell myself beach.
You wanna go to the beach?
Yeah.
Классно. Значит, пойдем. Ты не хочешь что кушать? А, zucchini не хочешь? Zucchini не хочешь? Okay, you don't have to eat zucchini. You made coffee? Is that for Papa?
Yeah, where is she?
Что? Cut? Давай.
Mama, we're leaving tomorrow.
No, after tomorrow. Джой, давай не кушай так сасаж. Вилочкой юзай, вилочку. Тут ее ручки потом будут жирные. These are the hardcore fishermen.
So, which one is this?
How many lines do you have set up? 4?
It's yours.
Here you
Thank you,
go.
sis. You're my favorite now.
Can I have that on camera again?
You're my favorite sister for now.
For now? Forever?
Until Vika does something better. Exactly.
And let's see if we can get some crabs. There you go. There's 2 crabs right there. See it? 1, 2. See if we can get them closer. They crawl sideways, so interesting to see. Look, it's a baby one. Ah! Oh, it's so fast.
That's about 36 inch wide.
No?
Yes.
Ooh. Чья это удочка была? Вон она считается, первая. Waves.
Mom, it's a what?
It's neat.
Oh, sauna.
False alarm?
No, there was something there, but it's gone now. They stole my bait.
You took your bait?
Yeah.
What are you using for bait?
I'll show you a picture.
Nah, no, no, no. If it's raw shrimp or something nasty, nah.
It's a squid.
A squid? Oh, no thank you. Just finished recording a time-lapse video. It's currently 7 a.m. I am done for the night, or the morning I should say. Time to head back to the RV. Start thinking about breakfast. For those of you who are wondering if he caught anything, he did catch a couple mini sharks in the middle of the night and some stingrays. That's about it. Nothing when I was here. I came out around 4:30 in the morning till 7. Didn't catch anything during that time. But it was really nice to see the sunrise. Who's ready to go home? Raise your hand.
I kind of wanted to stay a little longer.
Artem's ready to go home. Veronica, ты хочешь домой?
Go home.
Am I ready to go home? I'm ready to...
House.
I'm ready to have my own bed, yes. I'm tired of sandy beds. Are you ready to go home? Скажи yes or no? Хочешь домой? Oh, he said Вы слышали? Света, are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
You want to go sleep in your own bed?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is what it looks like. All closed up.
Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday? I heard it's someone's birthday.
Emma.
Emily, Emma.
Сейчас будем за уши
Where's your
тянуть.
candles?
Может, они прилипнут?
Так, это...
Happy birthday, Emma.